Stop wasting counter space on 3 different machines when one good combo can do it all. But getting the wrong one will just leave you with chunky smoothies and a massive headache. I spent the last few weeks testing the 6 most popular blender and juicer combos on the market to see what actually works. I looked at motor strength, how hard they are to clean, and of course, the taste of what comes out. By the time we get to the number 1 spot, you will see exactly which machine completely replaced everything else on my counter. 6. Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Duo Blender. I mean, Ninja is a massive name in the kitchen space, so I went into this with pretty high hopes. It comes with a large pitcher and a couple of single-serve cups for taking your drinks on the go. The base is relatively sleek, and it has those familiar preset buttons for smoothies and extractions. The motor has 1,200 watts of peak power. That sounds like a lot on paper, right? When you press the button, the blades spin up incredibly fast and create this massive vortex inside the pitcher. It is definitely designed to crush ice and frozen fruit without getting stuck. You get that classic stacked blade assembly that Ninja is famous for, which is supposed to pull everything down into the center. But here is what happens when you actually use it. I loaded it up with kale, green apples, and some frozen pineapple to test the extraction feature. Well, it certainly pulverized everything, but calling this a juicer combo is a massive stretch. It does not separate the pulp from the liquid at all. You are essentially just making a very thin, very pulpy smoothie. If you want actual clear juice, you are totally out of luck here. Then there is the noise. You know, I'm not expecting a silent machine, but this thing sounds like a jet engine taking off in your kitchen. If you live in an apartment or have kids sleeping in the next room, you are absolutely going to wake them up. 5. Nama C2 Juicer Plus Blender. Now, this is a completely different beast compared to the Ninja. The Nama C2 is a premium, high-end cold-press juicer that also happens to have a blender attachment. It looks absolutely gorgeous on the counter with a very sleek, modern aesthetic that screams luxury. The juicing function is genuinely incredible. It uses a slow masticating process, which means it gently crushes and squeezes the produce instead of violently shredding it. I ran some celery and ginger through it, and the juice came out crystal clear with 0 foam on top. It yields a massive amount of liquid and leaves the pulp practically bone dry. The blender attachment clicks right onto the same motorized base. It handles smoothies and soups beautifully, creating a very smooth texture without heating up the ingredients too much. Having both of these top-tier functions running off one single base is honestly a fantastic concept for people who are serious about their daily health routines. But here is the elephant in the room. I mean, the price tag on this machine is absolutely staggering. You are paying a massive premium for that specialized cold press technology. On top of that, the physical footprint is huge. The base itself is quite tall, and when you start storing the separate heavy juicing and blending chambers, it takes up a massive amount of cabinet space. It is just a lot to deal with for a casual user. 4. Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. Let me explain why this one beats out the 751 we talked about earlier. Instead of just giving you a pitcher and some cups, this system actually includes a precision processor bowl. It feels like a much more complete, thoughtful package right out of the box. The motor base is slightly upgraded here. You get 1,400 peak watts, which gives it a noticeable bump in torque. When I tested the blending pitcher with a heavy load of frozen strawberries and thick yogurt, it did not bog down or stall once. It powered right through the thick mixture, creating a completely uniform texture without leaving any hidden chunks stuck at the bottom. The food processor attachment is where things get really interesting. It comes with a dedicated chopping blade and a dough blade. I threw in some whole onions and garlic to test the chop function, and it gave me perfectly even pieces in literally 3 seconds. It is incredibly satisfying to use for meal prep when you don't want to stand there chopping with a chef knife all evening. As for the extraction side of things, it uses the single-serve cups to pull nutrients out of whole fruits and veggies. It still leaves the fiber in your drink, so it's a whole juice rather than a thin, clear juice, but the blending is so incredibly fine that you barely notice the pulp. 3. nutribullet Triple Prep System. You know, nutribullet has basically owned the personal blending space for years, but they have really stepped up their game with these full-size systems. This unit looks incredibly sharp with a dark gray finish and a very clean, minimalist control panel that lights up only when you plug it in. The Triple Prep name comes from the 3 different vessels it includes. You get a massive 7-cup food processor, a large blending pitcher, and their signature personal blending cups. The base recognizes which attachment you snap on and actually changes the available blending programs automatically. That is a brilliant touch that makes it totally foolproof to operate, even if you are half asleep in the morning. I was thoroughly impressed by the 1500-watt motor during my testing. I decided to make a really dense, heavy hummus in the food processor bowl to see if the motor would struggle. It pureed the chickpeas and tahini into this incredibly smooth, velvety dip in under a minute. It felt completely effortless, and the machine did not shake or travel across the counter at all while it was working. Switching to the personal cup, I tested a standard fruit and protein powder mix. The vortex action in the nutribullet cups is legendary for a very good reason. It aggressively pulls everything straight down into the extractor blades.
2. Hamilton Beach Juice and Blend 2-in-1. Now, if you are looking for a machine that actually gives you real, pulp-free juice and also acts as a traditional blender, this is where things get really exciting. It is specifically designed to swap between a centrifugal juice extractor and a blending jar using the exact same motor base. Let us talk about the juicing first. It has a wide 3-inch feed chute. I mean, that is a game changer right there. You can drop whole apples and giant handfuls of spinach straight down the chute without having to painstakingly chop them up into tiny pieces first. The centrifugal blades spin at a massive speed, separating the juice from the pulp and sending it straight into your glass. I ran a big batch of carrots, apples, and raw ginger through it. The juice was incredibly vibrant and perfectly thin, exactly what you expect from a dedicated juice bar downtown. The attached pulp bin caught all the dry waste efficiently without making a mess everywhere. It's honestly surprising how well it extracts liquid given that it is a hybrid machine. Then you just lift off the juicer housing and pop on the blending jar. I used the fresh apple juice I just made as a base, added some frozen mango and ice, and fired up the blender. It crushed the ice beautifully and whipped up a fantastic frosty tropical drink. The physical transition from juicing to blending takes literally 3 seconds.
GOTMORE juicer machine, blender, and grinder combo. I know what you are thinking. Well, GOTMORE is not the most famous brand name out there, but let me tell you, this machine absolutely blew me away during testing and easily outperformed everything else in its specific class. This is a true 3-in-1 powerhouse. You get a high-speed centrifugal juicer, a large glass blending pitcher, and a dedicated dry grinding cup. The build quality feels fantastic right out of the box, with nice stainless steel accents and a very sturdy, heavy-duty motor base that locks firmly onto your countertop with strong suction feet, so it never moves. The juicer section is phenomenal. It features dual speed controls, allowing you to use a slower speed for soft fruits like berries and oranges, and a much higher speed for tough veggies like beets and carrots. I juiced a whole raw beet, and the motor did not even flinch. It ripped right through it, giving me a massive yield of rich, dark juice while tossing perfectly dry pulp into the oversized collector. But the separate additions are what truly make it number one. The heavy glass blender jar is a massive upgrade over the cheap plastic pitchers you usually get. It doesn't hold on to weird garlic odors, and it handles hot liquids perfectly if you want to blend soup. And that grinding attachment? I used it to grind fresh coffee beans and whole hard spices. It reduced whole cinnamon sticks to a very fine powder in just seconds. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.